Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about Python, which is a popular and widely used high-level programming language. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum, who started working on it on December 1989. He released the first version of Python for general public on February 20th, 1991. Python can be defined as a high-level, interpreted, object-oriented programming language with dynamic semantics. Let us break down this definition and analyze it to gain a better understanding of Python. Python is a high-level programming language, which means that you can write your program in English. This makes the program readable, writable, shareable, and manageable. In assembly language or low-level language, you are required to handle various components of the computer architecture like registers, memory addresses, and call stacks, which is not required while programming in a high-level language like Python. Various high-level language features are also available in Python, like variables, data structures, objects, expressions, modules, classes, functions, loops, threads, file handling, string handling, error handling, and other computer science abstraction concepts. In traditional programming languages like C or C++, a program is compiled into computer-readable machine code before it is executed. Python is an interpreted language, where the Python interpreter reads and executes a program line by line. The process is more time-consuming compared to compiled code execution. However, it allows faster development as you do not have to go through the entire compilation step during testing and debugging. As there is no generation of platform-dependent binaries, a Python program can run on any platform as long as it has a valid Python installation. To summarize, as we discussed in the previous video, we can write a Python program in English and the Python interpreter reads it line by line and converts it into a machine understandable code comprising zeros and ones. Python supports object-oriented programming, but unlike other programming languages, it does not enforce object-oriented programming. A programmer can define classes, specifying the data in form of attributes, and some programming logic in the form of member functions. Once a class is defined, the user can create an instance of the class, which is known as an object. Since Python is an interpreted language, all statements or expressions are evaluated during runtime. This allows dynamic typing, where the data type of a variable can change over its lifetime. It also allows creation of dynamic objects during runtime, which provides more flexibility, usability, and fewer lines of code as compared to statically typed languages like C or C++.